Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace a battery on iPhone 6s. So let's start it. Open the two screws at the bottom. Now get the flat tool to lift up the screen, and you get a small puller. Stick onto the screen. The screen is already broke, so be careful if you are changing screen onto the broken screen. If you change a battery on a broken screen. Move this one, you don't need any more of that one. Your screen is open. So turn off the phone. That's it. So we're gonna open the screws now. Two screws for the battery. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the screen flex and camera flex. Leave the screws as. So remove the screen. That's it. Leave the screen on the side because we don't need that. Oh, we're gonna take off that flexes. This is glue ones. This is very stiffy. Be very careful. If it's break, it's break. If that rubber is broke. Ooh. When you remove this, the battery comes out. Leave the battery on the side. That's the new battery here. We're gonna stick the we're gonna stick these glue things at the bottom of the now always now we gonna put this one here. Be very careful. Always when you stick your battery at the bottom at the into the casing, always get this one plug in, because it goes on the right place. So now the battery is plugged in. Now have the screen battery is plugged out, and the battery and the screen has to be, and I'm gonna fit the screen back. Always remove the screen, because it's gonna be, these flexes are gonna be broke when you're changing screen. So let's stick this one and turn it on, or just try. Yeah, so we're gonna screw up till that turn on. That's it, it's on now. So just for check the batteries. Yeah, the battery is charging up, so it was on silent mode. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.